Good morning, students. Namaste. This is online classes coaching for CET and JEE also. Already I told you and we discussed many concepts. We are in the chapter circles. Now I want to start the objectives. Already I posted for you a bunch of some papers containing some problems. Okay, then? It's not possible to write on the board. Just I will read out and you see in your that in a bunch of papers you see that problem. Exercise objective. The number one problem. A circle has x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. First one. X plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 7x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0 are diameters. They are diameters of a circle. Now observe. They are the diameters of a circle S. Okay. I have to find the center. That is the question is given. You see, whenever diameter of a circle is always passing through the point. Say this is one, this is the second diameter. Not two circles in the same. The diameter means number of diameters, unlimited number of diameters are there in the circle. The first one is denoted by equation 1 and second one is denoted. But the two diameters, no doubt, they will intersect at the center. This is called the center of the circle. Okay, now? So in order to get the center of required circle, I have to solve. That is the concept. Here x plus 3y is equal to 4, 7x minus y is equal to 6. Okay, now? Again x plus 3y is equal to 4. We multiply with 3. 21x minus 3y is equal to 18. 3y cancels. It is 22. X is equal to 22. So x is equal to 1. In 1 we substitute. That is 1 plus 3y is equal to 4. That implies 3y is equal to 3. So y is also 1. So center P is equal to 1 comma 1. Okay, Nana? Like that I have to solve the problem. Next, I will read the second problem. You see, circle with the center and passing through horizon. We are given a circle with the center. Center is given. The center C is equal to 1 comma minus 4. And passing through, it is passing through origin. It is passing through origin. So you see that, observe it. A circle is there with the center, it is C 1 comma minus 4. It is a center. It is passing through origin O. So here OC is the radius. You observe it. This is the radius, you know. So here radius R is equal to OC, that is equal to root of 1 square minus 4 whole square means it is 1 plus 16. Okay, now it is root 17. R is equal to. Then what do we need? An equation. Equation to circle is x minus 0 whole square, y minus, x minus 1, okay, na? Y minus of minus 4 whole square is equal to root 17 square. We need to find the equation we are asked. That is x square plus 1 minus 2x. Here it is plus y plus 4. It is y square plus 16 minus 8y minus 17 is good. Root 17 square, 17 comes to this side. This is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y is equal to 0. 1 plus 16, 17, 17 cancels. See, is it added? Cancels. Okay, now here also it is clear, it is passing through horizon means no constant. So this is a Next, we'll go to the next problem. It is the third one. If the area of the circle is 2 pi, third one, you see there, is 2 pi, not 2 pi, 25 pi square centimeters, then find the value of k. We are given circle. The circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0 now. Its area is, first you find center. First of all, what is 2g? Minus 4. G is equal to minus 2. What is 2f? Minus 2. F is equal to minus 1. What is the constant k? Okay, now, what is the radius? The radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c na. That is root of g square means minus 2 square plus minus 1 square minus k. Okay, now, it is nothing but the root of 4 plus 1, 5 minus k. This is the radius r. We know that. R value is given. But what is the area of circle is, okay, na? What is the area of the circle? It is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 25 r is given. In the problem, it is given. Don't need to worry. It is given. Here, what is r? Here r square r. Okay, na? 25, I think, I'm sorry, 25 pi is given. The area of a circle is 25 pi. So, actually, pi r square is the formula. Pi cancels. R square is equal to 25. Actually, what is r square? I will write here. What is r square? Okay, na? R square is 25. But r square is root of I minus k whole square is equal to 25. Square root cancels. 5 minus k is equal to 25. K is equal to 5 minus 25. It is minus 20. So k value is minus 20. Okay, now? Yeah, like that. Next, the radius of the circle passing through the point. Radius is asked. That circle is passing through 6, 2 and having x plus y as the normal and x plus 2y is equal to 4 as a diameter. One is normal and is a diameter. Okay, now the radius of circle is asked and it is also passing through one point is given. Yeah. Observing. Fourth one. It is passing through horizon. Not horizon. 6, 2 a point P. It is passing through 6, 2. And normal. Normal means perpendicular to tangent. It is also normal, also passing through center. And we are given another diameter is there. It is a diameter. Don't confuse. Its equation is given. Is x plus 2y is equal to 4. And its equation, normal equation also given. What is x plus y is equal to 6. If we solve, we get the point C, center. Okay, now? Minus. X is cancels. 2y minus y, it is minus 2. So, minus 2 is y value. And you substitute. X plus 2 of minus 2 is equal to 4. X minus 4 is equal to 4. X is equal to 8. Therefore, what is the center? C is equal to 8, minus 2. And P point is equal to 6, 2. Radius R is equal to CP now. It is R. Radius, center. center to that point. Radius r is equal to Cp. That is root of 8 minus 6 whole square minus 2 square. 8 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. It is 2 square is 4 minus 4 square is 16 is root 20. Okay, like that we have to solve. The circle concentric with the another circle is given and the radius 2 units is a very good concept. Please observe. A circle is concentric with the circle. You see that? Center of any circle that concentric, it is given concentric. Concentric means you see that. Here the center is same. Okay, na? Say H comma K, the center of the two circles. Then the first circle is concentric with the second circle, or the second circle is concentric with the first circle. Center is same. Concentric with a given circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, and r is equal to 2 also. So here we can understand center. The center is common to the two given circle and the required circle. Here you see what is 2g? 4. G is equal to 2. What is 2f? 6. F is equal to 3. Okay, na? G and F. So minus 2 comma minus 3 is the center. And what is R? Is 2 is given. So equation 2 required circle is x minus of minus 2 square y minus of minus 3 square is equal to 2 square. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 4x. Y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 4 is equal to 2 square. So this 4 cancels. We get x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. We can that is the concept of concentric circles. A chord of length 8 units. Next, sixth one. A chord of length 8 units subtend a right angle at the center of the circle. Then the radius is dash. The very good concept. Please observe. The chord length is 8 units. That subtends right angle at the center one. It is only given. Then what is the radius? Okay, then? The very good concept. Please observe. You see, sixth one now. Okay, now sixth one. Observe me. It is a circle. The center C is there. Observe. It is a chord A. Chord means it is a portion of a line that is cut by the circle. And those extremities should lie on the circle. That is the chord. Say it is R radius. Of course, here also R. And say this is distance. The distance from the center on the chord is D. That is there. Okay, now? Right. Here, AB means it is a length of chord. Okay, now? AB is the length of chord. Or otherwise I will write here. It is AB. Here one thing. You see now. Say it is some D point. In a triangle, you see, in triangle ACD, it is a right angle triangle. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Okay, na? AC square hypotenuse, AD square plus CD square. But we need AD square. It is AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD. AC square is R square, CD is nothing but D. It is the perpendicular distance from center. We can find center of the circle if circle equation is given. And this is a line, yes, okay. So what is AD? It is root of R square minus D square. Okay, now. But what is AB? AB is a double AD. It is 2 AD then. We know that by the mensuration. 2 into root of R square minus D square. This is AB. Okay, now. But we are given. Now you see that is the concept of length of chord. Now you see it. The chord of length is 8 units. That subtends a right angle. There the problem is everything. At the center of the circle. Then the radius. We don't know the D value. But here it is 90 degrees. That means it is 45 and it is also 45. Okay, now. Here, if it is it is in the problem. In the sixth problem only it is a right angle. Because it is given. This chord subtends at the center is 90 degrees. That means 45, 45. Because it is angle bisector. That's C. Okay, now. Okay, leave it out. In this triangle, now you see, in this triangle only. Here, triangle is, okay, now, triangle ACD is isosceles. Why? Because isosceles triangle. Why? Because it is 45, it is 90 means it is also 45. Okay, now, that means AC is equal to CD. That means R is equal to D. Okay, now. So R is equal to D. Okay, like that. Okay, now. Because not R is equal to D. Please. Here opposite to this one AD. Then. AD is equal to opposite this one is CD. Okay, now. So AD is equal to small d. This is important. Not R is equal to D. Please remember. Now, we will see here what is AB by this term. It is a general. It is according to the problem. AB is equal to, okay, now, again I will AB is equal to 2 root R square minus D square. AB means by here only up to this one you take it. Okay, now, it is 2 AD. It is 2 root of R square minus D square. What is AD? It is 2D is equal to 2 root of R square minus D square. 2 cancel. D square is equal to, I am making square, R square minus D square. So 2D square is equal to R square. Okay, na? But what is AB? Actually, AB is how much? AB is given 8. Let's see it. AB is equal to 8, the length of arc. What is AB? It is 2 AD na is 8. That means 2 D na, 8 is nothing but 8. What is D? Is 4. So I substitute. It is 2 into 4 square is equal to R square. So R square is equal to, it is a 32. Or otherwise R is equal to root 32. 16 to 4 root 2. So the radius is 4. Don't confuse it. This concept is very important. This diagram and this one is related to the general. It is length of arc is defined. But the problem is isosceles because this arc is subtending 90 degrees. That is 45, 45. If it is 45, it is also 45. Two angles are equal means this AD is equal to D. That is important. That can be written. AB means 2AD. Okay, na? 2AD, 2D. Okay, na? Like this. Here we are getting R square is equal to 2D square. But what is D? By given, it is 8 units length. So D is 4. I am substituting. The problem is only here. This is all, everything is a concept. Don't see this length of the problem. Here the concept is explained and the problem is explained. Okay, Nana? Please. Okay, na? Sixth problem. Just pass.